Hi everybody, good evening. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful, nice weekend. I'm going to go through some of my Sunday research and get ready for the trading week ahead for the day trading. Hey Fallacy, what's going on everybody out there on YouTube? Let me head over to my main screen and show you what I've been doing tonight. Get ready for tomorrow. So right now the futures are down 53. Dow Jones Mini Futures 53. S&P futures are down 4. And the NASDAQ futures are down 850, which means a bunch of nothing. Basically, unless the S&P futures are down 40 points or more, there's nothing really directional as far as you can tell what's going to happen with that particular move tomorrow. So all I know is it's going to be exciting. So let's see what we have. I'm sending out the newsletter. It's already complete. And it has 3 picks. Or 2 picks. 2 picks. A number 1 and a number 2. And 13 trigger picks. They're all from the same industry group. No one's heard of any of these stocks before. So they may, if this industry group cranks like I think it will, we may really have something here in the week ahead. Let's see here. Stock futures tumble as the virus resurgence flares. Stock futures open lower Sunday as corona cases rose in records in some states. A number of states continued to struggle this weekend with rising corona. California reported new cases. Florida rose in a single day by 4,000. Yeah, we should have some more rallies and get everybody together and spread it like a banshee. That makes a lot of sense. All I know is we went from quarantine to unquarantine, like, hey, party time, quarantine, you're allowed out of your house, let's go have a big party now in the streets and go to the beaches and have bonfires and let's get everybody together, man. Let's just do it. Craziest thing ever. Oh, and the stock market's going to a new high every day. Yeah, that makes sense. So the futures are down, but the stock market's at a new high, so it doesn't mean anything. So NASDAQ's at over 3,000. NASDAQ's 10,000. S&P's 3,000. Dow's 26,000. Crazy. Corona market. Nike earnings. What to know on the Nike? What do we need to know on Nike earnings? Nike's probably not going to be that good, man. I would suggest bad earnings, buying up put options, shorting the stock. I mean, how much business could they have done? Maybe people pawning the Nike, but not buying the Nike. So I can't see that stock doing great. The industry that I picked tonight for the swing trade newsletter picks, yeah, those are exceptional. Those would be exceptional picks, and you should definitely get in on them. I'll give you an outlook on the crypto too. Give you an outlook on that crypto tonight too, for sure. Because there's some things happening, man, that you know that are going on in the world that you all need to be aware of. Let me show you. My Twitter's better than that Yahoo News. Look, I got to keep this on my arm because I got like a from the golf. Dude, today, this is my book, by the way, my new thing. See, I have my my golf, and I got the book with the hole and the map, and I play hole 1, and then I move it to hole 2, and I have my scorecard right there. Look at this round. I missed, I shot a 36 on the front, 5-4-3, 5-4, 5-4-3, 5-4. I hit every drive down the middle of the fairway. The back 9 was my best. I shot a 1 over, but I hit the best on the back 9. I hit every single fairway and spliced it down the middle. I was automatic 290. It was crazy today. It was a great day. Great day today. So nice. So let's cruise down here and I'll show you what's going on. This guy right here. The dollar is going to fall very, very sharply, warns a prominent Yale economist. This is what goes on right here, guys. Let me show you. So Stephen Roach, Yale University senior fellow and Morgan Stanley Asia chairman, has warning U.S. bulls. The prominent economist says the area of the U.S. buck may be coming to an end, forecasting a 35% decline in the U.S. currency against major rivals. He wrote, he talked on, he mentioned. On Monday, he said, meanwhile, China's doing that, he's doing that. Okay, that's a good article. So this guy right here, this prominent dude, says we're going down. Why black wealth has stayed relatively flat since the Tulsa massacre. Another article right there. Each day we add crypto fear and greed index. We're at a 37. Each day they analyze the emotions from different sources. The crypto greed and fear index. Ooh, it's a 38 now. Was a 37. Fear's 38. But what is it? Let's see what it is. The crypto market is very emotional. People tend to get greedy when the market's rising. FOMO, fear of missing out, if you never heard what that means. Also, people to sell their coins in irrational reaction when they see red numbers. With our fear and greed index, we try to save you from your emotional overreactions. There's two simple assumptions. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are worried. It could be a buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means it's due for a correction. Therefore, they analyze the sentiment of the Bitcoin market and crunch the numbers into a simple meter from 0 to 100. 0 means extreme fear, while 100 means extreme greed. And we're at a 38. It's pretty cool. You can put that on your website, dudes. That's pretty cool. Crypto market trading, an inside look, those earning a living from making crypto. Since Bitcoin made its rise, everyone's trading. That's what this article is. Crypto fear and greed index it mentions. Okay. Another good news here. Barstool Sports founder holds 2,000 stance on the Bitcoin. I actually wrote on that to him, Dave Portnoy, on Twitter. Right here, I actually responded to him on Twitter. If we go to my tweets and replies. Right here. Here, this is a good article. 5 signs Bitcoin's entering a bull market. Right here. Dave Portnoy, right here. Dave. He's working right here. I said, so is Bitcoin. Don't get FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Just hodl those coins, Dave. You'll be a quadrillionaire. I called it. My picks rock. Keep you in my mojo loop. Dave Portnoy. That's the ball game, folks. Barstool Sports. This guy's a character. And right here is top signs that Bitcoin's entering a bull market. And these all totally make sense. Reminiscent of the 2017 when Bitcoin hit 1,180 for the first time. I bought Bitcoin at 980 in August of 2016. So I remember good when it hit 1,000 for the first time, and then it ran big. Having studied the charts for repeating patterns, you can see the pattern that played out after a 40% dump from 1180 in 2017 is identical to that of the 57% dump that occurred on March 12th, known as Black Thursday. On both occasions, the price recovered to the pre-dump levels shortly after an M pattern, typically singing a bearish double top. Third is the order book. Fourth is alt season. Fifth, crypto influencer IQ is at an all-time low. Bull scenario right there. Bearish scenario right there. That was a good article. That was a good article. Susie Orman calls this investment advice the most overlooked financial tip. Dude, I already got, there's a new industry group out this week. Did you know that? It's called, let me Google it. There's a new industry group. It's called, one of the stocks last week made a big run. And I looked at it and I never heard of this industry. It's a development stage company that has no specific business plan or purpose, or has indicated its business plan to engage in a oh, that's what they are. So this is what this company is. I have a group of companies, guys. It's a development stage company that has no specific business plan or purpose, or has indicated its business plan. It's planned to engage in a merger or acquisition with an unidentified company, other entity, or person. It's a development stage company that has no established business plan. It may use and gather funds as a startup, or more likely, merger or acquire other business entities. These companies are speculative in nature and bound to protect investors. They don't have established business plans. It's used to gain funds with the plan to merge or acquire quickly other businesses. And they're considered micro-cap penny stocks by the SEC. I'm reading this article about my industry picks that I came out tonight in the newsletter. It's called a Special Purpose Acquisition Company, a SPAC. It's formed to raise funds via mergers and acquisitions within a certain time frame. Monies are held in escrow until the combination transactions close. So I got this group of companies, guys, that are I've never even heard of before, that are going to be this next week's big round of winners. What do we got here on my social? Majority of businesses come from the shoes made in China, Nike. Yeah, I got some, on my Twitter, guys, I have a big, nice little follow. I got a little group, a little private group. Let me show you my group, JC Penney. We're a nice little tight, let me show you. We're talking about let me show you right here. We got like this little group right here. See this right here? So like right here, I put out, you think Amazon wouldn't buy JC Penney? Think again, man. There's a team of Amazon people right now in Plano, Texas, as we speak. That's the headquarters for JC Penney. There's dialogue, and I'm told it has to do with Amazon's eager to expand its apparel business. Many think Amazon will buy Kohl's, but JC Penney has more of what Amazon needs to take its apparel sales to a new level. How can a company reorganizing in a stressful bankruptcy during a once-in-a-lifetime pandemic, no less, launch a new bedding line? JC Penney knows how, and that's because it's been doing private label merchandising longer than most of its competitors, and mostly anybody knows. The chain created a new line of sheets right now. It's called Linden Street to compete with specialty stores. It's selling the brand this week online at the same time it's reopening stores. Penny's private label business has historically been one of the best in retailing, and it may be one of the reasons analysts are buzzing about whether Amazon might buy part or all of the 118-year-old department store, and there's value right there. Absolutely. and the JCPNQ. Got 50 people in this group, some big traders invited me in there, and I'll fill you in on what we're talking about as we go along. Absolutely. I want to welcome all the new traders coming to the room tomorrow, taking advantage of my MOJO Day Trading BOGO, my buy one get one free. There's a couple people taking advantage of that challenge right there. Gonna get your capital to trade with. You know, in order to be a day trader, you need capital to day trade with. Well, I have the capital for you to day trade. Absolutely. You go right here to my website and you click challenge. You're a new trader. This is for you. You're looking for guidance and capital to day trade. You found the spot. You know, you need $25,000 to day trade with. They made this rule like years and years and years ago. It's called the PDT rule. Stupid rule. Frustrated with the PDT. There we go, Warrior. Doing some good advertising. The pattern day trader rule is a regulatory designation for traders or investors that execute 4 or more day trades during 5 business days. Okay? And look, there's a misspelling right there. You can't even get that right. Using a margin account, there's no R at the end of account. So just because of that mistake, they should abolish the PDT rule. If you like that, guys, give me a thumbs up on that video. Absolutely. That's what we should be doing. The number of day trades must constitute more than 6% of your mark. Bull crap. If this occurs, your account's flagged and you can't place any trades. You know why? You're required to hold $25,000 in your account. Do you know why that happened? Because they think you're unsophisticated. FINRA established PDT to have $25,000 in your account because they think you're a piker and you can't trade and you're a loser unless you don't have 25 grand. Can you believe that? So that's why. But that's bull, because I know a lot of people that don't have the 25 grand but are really good traders. So let me show you exactly how this works. All you new traders out there that want to day trade, banging out stocks left and right with no restrictions, this is your way. And you need the capital to trade with. First, you take the MOJO Day Trading course, and you'll trade while you do that on a simulated demo platform for 1 month. You make profits with $60,000 in virtual buying power, then get the chance to trade with firm capital. You'll get one-to-one trade reviews with myself, Pro Trader Mike, so your trading improves each day. You challenge yourself to be profitable and start your own day trading business. First step, join the Mojo Room for a special new trader rate of $99. You will not get the swing trade newsletter. You don't need it. You don't have a swing trade account. Let's concentrate on making you $500 a day, $10,000 a month, $120,000 your first year starting out with the Mojo team. Join the challenge with the new trader rate right there. Right there, step 1 and step 2. You join the chat room for $99. You get the platform and the $60,000 in virtual money for the other $99. It lasts 1 month. You enroll in the MOJO Day Trading course for free. While you're doing that, you're trading, you're learning, you're passing the final exam. Once you do that in 2 weeks to a month, however long it takes you, you're running your own day trading business. That's the platform, and I trade on it every day. And so will you. You'll replicate and copy everything I do, and you'll go along with the MOJ. Futures right now are up 36. Look at that change in the futures. Wow. Futures jumped, huh? They were down, remember, 5. Now they're up 5 and up 36. Look at that. What a jump, right? We have another big day. Another big day in the MOJ room. What else we got here? Done that. Goes too long on the ortho. Gotta show you. Yeah, Maxim Group and HC Wright. I believe they're stock placement agents. They've been running the price target scams on penny stocks. Everyone must be aware of. Don't get caught up in that. What penny stocks? I don't recommend none. My Ken Slim newsletter going out tonight, 9:30. It's going out in 8 minutes. 8 minutes going out. Oh, my arm. Hurt my arm. A little muscle action in the arm. Ship, we already got ship. We already got ship. Right here, take a look at the swing newsletter. Amazon's got the cash. Big time. You can turn 5 into 50 on UONE, and you can turn 5K into $500, $50 on UONE too. What are you, out of your mind? What are you, out of your mind? Acacia 16 squared, dude, you're out of your mind. We don't do that. We don't play those. That's gambling, dude. We don't gamble. Let me show you that ship. How's that ship? Ship to dip. Let me do a search for my ship. Here's ship. Oh, Eagle Bulk Shipping. Sino Shipping. Got a couple of them. Eagle Bulk, 180s, 248. See that? Ship I got down there at 14 cent, 21. See that? That's on 511. The other one was on 413, Sino and Eagle. Everyone likes tops, you know. Screw tops. I got Sino, Eagle, and Ship. If you would too, if you'd be in that swing newsletter, homie baloney. Only one I'm lacking is Hexo. I can't believe Hexo's down. And Jackie, I may sell them if they don't bounce back up right now. Got a couple real good ones, boys and girls. This week's going to be a really amazing week. I hope you come and trade with me in the MOJO Day Trade room, because they ain't going to be nothing better. They ain't going to be nothing better. I want to welcome all the new traders, man. Welcome. You ever see this? All these new traders, man, out there in the world? You see this thing, Robin Track? Robinhood? Everyone's like, Mike, check out this thing on Robinhood. Check it out. I'm like, okay, what is it? Look. Robin Track. You got this leaderboard right here. Look, the most popular symbols on Robinhood and stuff. You know what this is? Bunch of garbage. Means nothing. Popularity changing. See all this? You know what this means? Garbage. Nothing. It means nothing. Absolute garbage. Bunch of garbage. Means nothing. It's the people what they're holding on Robinhood. It's a bunch of garbage. Means nothing. Just like these futures. Up 43 and 7 means nothing. See these swing picks? These mean something because it's based on a system you can rely on called the Ken Slim system of picking stocks. Look at the returns on these picks, guys, and the dates on the newsletter. Tonight's newsletter is going out on 6/21. April 2nd, look at these picks right here on April 2nd. Look at these. Look at these picks on April 2nd right here from the newsletter. 135, 44, 41, 19, 45, 86, 86, 5, 9, 21, 60% gain. Here's the next week, right here on the 6th. Look at these picks. 397, 101, 150, pair of 30 bangers, 40, 50, 20, 40, 69, 78. Here's the only loser, down 3%, 73 and 80. Here's the next week, 413. Trucking industry. Look at all these truckers and the shippers. Look how good they did. Next week, right here, the 20th. Look how good they did. Next week, the 27th. Couple winners, couple of losers. The losers 12% and 4% and 7. The winners 136. Then you got the 511 newsletter. Solo at $1. It's a 2. Mara. Boom, up 261, up 28, even. Here's the 18th. Here's the 6-1 newsletter. DGLY, 143. YYY, 23. MTSL, 79 on 6-7. That's 14 days ago. Here's the 15th newsletter right here. Look at these picks. 33, 100%. Did you guys pick Ideanomics last week? I did. Up 41% on Oxbridge reholdings, 25% here, 10% here, 9% here. Did you guys get in on them? I don't think so. And this week, right now, I'm going to have 2 more top picks and 11 on the watch that are going to be heading down there for some great action. So I would definitely subscribe to my service up above, guys, and get the trading picks and capital and everything that you need to be a successful trader. That's what I'm saying. So that's going out tonight. I want to thank everybody for watching the Mojo Show. I'm waking up early, get the action going in the pre-market. I'm sure there'll be some head honchos leading the pack, kind of like the PGA Tour. It's going to be a birdie fest. Everyone's going low. It's awesome. Going to have a great night. So until the morning, guys, peace. Want to say keep it profitable? I'll see Van out there. Yeah, we get to go check out my newsletter, dude. And yeah, go ahead, you go check those AC. You got your picks, I got my picks. I think my picks may be a little bit better, but we'll see. I don't know what I see yours, but you don't know what mine are. So guys, thank you again for watching. Peace, keep it profitable. Watch those 2 videos that pop up above my head. You'll see some cool live trading during the day, and we're going to repeat that in the morning. So until then, later. Have a great night. Dream sweetly and profitably. Later.